Hi, Dennis Ray here. These are the top 2 free backup applications available. You should back up your computer and files because there's always a possibility that a virus infects your PC, corrupts your files, or worse, become infected with ransomware, making your files unreadable or computer unable to start up. What can you do then? Well, not much, except if you've been backing up your files and computer. You can use a backup to restore your computer or files to the same state as when the backup was made. Here are 2 of the top free programs that you can use to back up and restore files or your computer's drive. Let's start with Aomei Backer Upper Standard. The standard version is free, but there is a pro edition which you pay for. But the standard version is well-rounded with everything you need to keep your files and computer backed up. This is a Aomei Backer Upper Standard website, and I'll put links for the websites I mentioned in this video in the video description below. The website tells you about its features, and it has a chart down below that shows you the differences between the different versions. There's this download link, and there's one up on top that you can use to download the free version. Once you have the program, it's an easy install. During the install, it does suggest you install the pro version, but you can skip it and install the standard edition. This is the interface for Aomei. You can hit these icons to go to the pages for backup or sync. But you can use the icons on the side too, going to backup, which includes system backup, which you would normally use to back up your entire computer, disk backup, partition backup, file backup, which includes folders, and then these 2 are only available in the Pro Edition. And then there's cloud backup, which is another option instead of local backup. In the sync page, you have the option to synchronize files, which is making a copy of the files rather than an image like the other backup options make. The rest of the selections are only for the Pro Edition. This is the restore page where you can start to restore your files or computer from your backup image if you need to. Remember, restoring an image will make your file or computer exactly the same as the time you first made the backup image. Any changes you made since then would be lost. The clone page has system clone, but it's only available if you upgrade to the Pro version, disk clone, and partition clone. The tools page has this Windows 11 update checker, and this tool will tell you if your system has the requirements for Windows 11. And then there is create bootable media. This is very important in case there's a problem where your PC will not boot up. This tool will make a bootable media like a disk or USB that can be used to boot up the system. It then brings up Aomei so you can use the backed up image you have to restore your system. Note, I had trouble getting a usable copy on a CD or a DVD, but on a USB it worked really great. Also, you need to find out how you can start a boot from a USB on your computer. Usually it's different on different systems. Sometimes you need to hit F2 or F9 or F11 or something else while it's booting up. Then there's these 3, and these can only be used with the Pro version. Notification settings, storage management, view logs, check image. And this is very important to make sure that the image that you have is really a good image that will work just in case, because if you try to restore when you need to and your image is not good, well, that could be a big problem. Import export configuration, and this can only be used with the Pro version. And also, if you look at the bottom while you hover over each of these icons, there's a little message that will tell you what that icon is for. Like and subscribe, I dare you. I double dog dare you. I triple dog dare you. That's right. Go ahead, like and subscribe, and dare to be great. Next, we'll talk about Easeus to do backup free. This is the website. If we scroll down, there's a chart that shows the different versions, and there is a free version, home version, and a workstation version. And this shows the differences between those different editions. To download it, you can hit this link or this one up here. And the first time you hit it, it'll bring up a small window that asks you for your email address. Well, you don't have to give me your email address. You can just close that window and hit the download link again, and it will start downloading. The install is easy and fast. It may give you a choice of the free or home versions. Be sure to select the free version. This is the easiest interface to start a backup. You can just hit Create Backup. That will take you to this page. In File Backups, this will back up your files and folders. Disk Backup to back up the partitions on your drive. OS Backup to back up your entire hard drive or computer drive. And this is also where you can schedule backups and specify if you want incremental backups. Apps data, well, this is only available in the home version, not the free version. Up here in tools, there are some important features. These three can only be used in the home edition. There is check image, and this is important to use in checking your backup to make sure it's good and will work if you need to use it in a restore action. Create emergency disk is used to create a CD, DVD, or USB that will boot up your computer if it doesn't start, so you can restore your PC back to the state that it was in when you made the backup. I suggest you use a USB for this. It works the best. Pro OS Manager is basically a check to see if Easeus is in the startup file when the computer is booted up. Mount and unmount is a way to browse your PC for backup files and mount or unmount drives. Logs of events and refresh disks for backing up, and then these two will only work in the home edition. That was Aomei Backer Upper Standard and Easeus to do backup free. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.